Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we are the Vagabond Turtle team and this is what we do. You will find us mostly on two wheels, wandering around forests and cities, sharing our adventures, ups and downs and funny moments. But sometimes we like to take it slower, like today, and showing you a calm walk tour. Let us introduce you to one of Stockholm's most popular recreational area, Tanto, located in Södermalm, south from the city center. People like to come here, especially during summer, to spend a picnic with family, walk, run, kayak, swim, enjoy the gorgeous nature area so close to the middle of the city. Come with us and enjoy this virtual walk tour through the area. So yeah, that's basically it. That's Tanto. It's Stockholm's most popular, just sit out, enjoy the sun. During summer this is packed, you can hear music everywhere. It's like a festival, like 24/7.
Well, to be honest, I don't really mind that now it's not like that. I don't really like that much.
Today is quite nice. I think they are not out yet, to be honest with you. It's
still,
Saturday.
Isn't it Friday?
Today is it Friday today?
It's Friday.
Ah, sorry, my bad. And that's on the other side. Oh, that's Lilleholmen. That's basically what I showed from the. It's a very new built, very upcoming, how to say it, area. Yeah, that's the train bridge, but we walk a little longer than just the train bridge. This is really cool.
Isn't like a written rule that you don't really swim near the docks because that's where people throw their shit out from the
Well, who knows? I don't know, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
No, I don't think people think too much about it.
Yeah. Right.
I guess I'm just too spoiled.
So yeah, this is mainly Södermalm. This is the coastal area. It's quite neatly tucked in with the water.
I love that they have these gardens here.
Yeah, they are colony area.
Yep. It's the colony garden. These cost so much here.
Yeah, but these are like weekend. Yeah, there are some regulations. You're not allowed to use it as a living area.
As a permanent area.
So they have like those. You're not allowed up there. The funny thing is, since there are so many people staying here day and night, getting drunk, there aren't nearly enough toilets. So sometimes those people who are staying here complaining that there are so many people peeing in their gardens because people are just running up here just to find some.
And there is a very cool walkway here that I really want to show.
Takes us to, like you say, Skanstull top.
Yeah, but you see, that's what I meant. This is Stockholm. This is really how it is when you don't go inside the city. I mean, we are inside the city, but...
And I mean, as long as you don't cross any bridges, you know, as long as you stay within the water and the canals, you're not going to be able to leave Södermalm. So again, it makes it quite easy to navigate here. You know where you are.
Make a little picture of that. It looks so good up on the hill, especially from the bridge. From the bridge you can see so clearly up on the area.
Bull.
Oh, bully.
It's quite fun.
I played bull.
Isn't that petang? I'm not sure how.
I don't know what's the name of it in Hungarian.
Like it's petang, French. Game. Petang.
It's called bull and B-O-U-L-E. Bull.
Under the bridge.
Oh, that's a popular area, as you can see.
Yeah.
That's the bridge that we took.
Oh yeah.
Are you singing?
No. I was just clearing my throat. Yeah, back in the days, the only bridge available was the second one, and they figured it wasn't nearly enough for the increasing traffic. So they built the second. The second one was exclusively for the penalty.
Yeah, that's the one above us is the Tanto, and the other one in the back is for pedestrians and other.
Yeah, exactly.
Or is it? I think it's the other way around. That one is for Pandatåg and the red one is for pedestrians.
No. The pedestrians are on the same bridge as the penalty.
Aha.
Trust me.
Okay, I'll trust you. That's the train. Actually, that's it's an X train. Or I mean, that's an
Exit 2000.
exit. Yeah, exactly. So that's not a within city train.
Ah, that's a long distance train.
That's a long distance one. Imagine living in these apartments. It would be actually cool.
They remind me of, you know, some vacation resort, like in Croatia or something. You can almost see how they're curved, you know, to gather as much sun as possible.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, indeed. Lite grann i hatten.
Oh.
Good song.
Oh! I think they are preparing for midsummer. Oh, I thought that's a lamb, but then I realized it's a kid.
Yeah, that's how we do it at midsummer. We sacrifice a lamb.
Now a little bit, I can see a little bit more. I was sitting on that bench so many times. Yeah.
So rude.
Yeah, but I just liked coming out and just do nothing. That was before I met you.
I met you, honey, but this is some French sitting
Slump. One today.
That's a slight dialect.
Such a beautiful tree. I like these little houses too. They're cute. Yes. But I think the only people who can have these summer houses here are the really, either you inherited it or you are really wealthy. Because once this was not expensive at all. So if you inherited it from granddad or dad or grandma.
Yeah, this is system thing. You know what I mean?
No?
One summer we can look into if we can rent one for like a month or two.
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, it's not. I don't think it should be that expensive.
Maybe renting, maybe not. But I don't know if you can rent them.
I think they're allowed. You know, just for temporary stay.
Okay.
Not like years and years.
No. No. Oh, oh, they are warm.
What?
Exactly. What?
Can help you. This is
No, but you can see that they are warm. That's when they open their mouth like.
no, that's coming among animals. Alright.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you did, please leave us a like and a comment below and subscribe if you haven't yet. This makes a huge difference for us and we are very grateful for the support. Also a big shout out to all our patrons, and let us welcome our newest member, Wayside Wade, whose channel you can find in the link below. Check him out and give him some love. We will be back soon with a new adventure. See you guys there!